Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to update about standby mode on the older device. If you don't own the iPhone 14 Pro Max or 15 Pro Max, you will still get always on standby mode for your older iPhone. This is my iPhone 11. You can see I am not tapping the screen and the clock still appear and always on. And it's just like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it stay on all the time when you put your phone in landscape mode and charge your phone. Now in order to achieve this, you need to download one shortcut from Safari. All you have to do is just search for standby mode for pro people. Now you need to click on the link above here, just click on it and it will redirect you into this link. So all you have to do is just tap on this shortcut in order to get a shortcut. And now you're gonna see this one, just click on add shortcut. I'm gonna replace it because I have already had it before. So all you have to do is just go ahead and run this shortcut and click on allow, and that's it. Whenever you charge your phone, you should be able to see all the way on standby mode for your older iPhone. Now all I have to do is just go ahead and plug in, and after that you're gonna get all the way on. Now we have all the way on and it will stay on always, just like the iPhone 15 Pro Max or 14 Pro Max. It does not turn off the screen. So I think this is you should have on your older iPhone if you really need it. Thanks for watching. Then I will see you guys in the next one.